welcome back to our Proactive Studios. I'm Natalie Stoberman, joined by Peter Jensen, the CEO of RocketFuel Payment Solutions. And Peter, it's so great to have you on today.
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. Now let's introduce you to our investor community. How does RocketFuel specialize in global payment solutions, but being able to do that with crypto and blockchain technology?
Yeah, so what we do is we use modern technologies like blockchain and cryptocurrencies to automate the existing payment processes around the world. So we have a product that specifically allows our merchants to accept payment with either cryptocurrencies or bank transfer, either on their online stores or on the web. And then recently we introduced two new products. One is a B2B cross-border product that allows companies to move larger amounts of money across borders using stable coins. And the last one is a new payouts product that allows merchants to pay out money to thousands of their customers.
And Peter, how does this kind of technology add new efficiency to the time and age where we need things done quickly?
Yeah, it's just like when we rolled out the internet. The internet was just a technology that allows us to do a lot of things much cheaper and better. And now that we look back at it, we can see, wow, it did actually increase our productivity in many different areas. And the same thing is happening with blockchain technology and crypto technologies. It's faster, it's more secure, it's more efficient. You cut out the intermediaries. You can see how, for example, Lyft and Uber, again, they use technology to make an existing business process much more efficient. And the same thing is happening here. There'll be a lot of change in the financial industry, and there's going to be winners and losers.
That's right. And Peter, when it comes to how far the company has come as a startup, what kind of growth have you experienced in such a short amount of time and being able to surpass some very lofty goals?
Yeah, so we started out traditional startup way, hire the team and build the product, get our first customers, validate the product, ensure the product market fit. And about last summer in May, June, we started really going live with our first e-commerce customers. And it's just been a roll since then. Our transaction growth keeps growing by more than tenfold. Actually, it was 13 and 14 times transaction growth. Our revenue is about 70% growth for our e-commerce product. So that's going really well. And then with the introduction of the new products, we're just broadening our product portfolio, creating I would say, revenue diversity. So we're less dependent on one versus the other. And obviously, as you increase the number of our merchants that go live, you increase the number of shoppers that pay with crypto, and then you introduce the new products and they start generating revenue as well. In fact, our two newly announced products, they generate in the last quarter, Q1 2023, they actually generated more revenue than our e-commerce products. So they're all three good revenue sources.
And what can we expect to see from that portfolio in the coming quarters, Peter?
Yeah, I mean, continued growth. Obviously, if you just look at our track record for the first 9 months really in operation, you see that hockey stick, and that was only on the e-commerce product. And so if you think about that hockey stick and you multiply it with all the other products, you should see that increase. Also, we've been closing several large clients. We have closed two large clients and gone live with two clients that have more than $1 billion in revenue. These are big companies, and it talks to our technology's robustness for enterprise solutions. So, and I would also say one thing that we will continue to do is execute on our strategy to keep rolling out new products or features, if you will, that we can charge for. And so we started out with e-commerce, then we added two products, and you can expect to see more of those revenue generators, because what we want to do is get our customers on board and then go back to them and sell them additional value. It's a lot easier to sell to an existing customers than go out and find new customers. Not that we're not trying to do that, but we want to add value to our customers, and we love it when our customers come back and buy more, which is the case for both of those very large $1 billion customers. They bought one product and now they're coming back and buying more.
Incredible. We can't wait to hear more about the growth that the company experiences in the coming quarters. Thank you so much for stopping by, Peter.
You're welcome.
Again, the CEO of RocketFuel Payment Solutions, Peter Jensen.